Right, in this video, how to change the main dip bulb on a Ford Focus 2015 Mark III model. So it'll be from 2014 all the way up to 2018, because there's a new model out. Right, so looking at the front, that's your parking light, that one there I'm pointing at. That's your indicator. That's your main, sorry, my mistake. That's your parking light up there in the corner where my finger is. Down below it's your main beam, so your bright one you use on very dark roads. And that one, that's your main dipped headlamp. That's the one that's gone on this car. So if you look from above, it's got a metal beam across, so you can't get to this point here, so we need to loosen that one and that one. So flathead screwdriver or Torx, maybe Torx 30 maybe. So Torx 30, T30 screw, and the other screw. If you download the Ford manual, it will say that the light bulb is this one. So I bought this from Halfords, value pack. They don't last as long as the Bosch ones. 477H7, and these are only £7 for two, so on bargain. You should really try and buy the standard, but I think it was £7 for one. I thought I might as well have a spare one in there. But next time it blows, I will buy the more expensive version of it. And the Halfords standard is pretty good. Their standard anything's pretty good. Right, so it says in the manual, move this thing, this whole array. What time to unplug it yet? Forward. Careful when you do this, because the plastic can crack. See that? So it wasn't moving right, so never force it, because this stuff here is brittle. This can crack easily. So it wouldn't go. So so I just pulled this edge here. That came forward. Alright, see that? So there's a forward motion, and the Ford manual would indicate so as well. And it could be and outer first. There we go. So next thing in there, so it's a good idea to unplug all the wiring if you don't want anything to blow. The computer systems are quite sensitive, and it does recommend to unplug the wiring. If it was an old car, I definitely wouldn't bother. Plug it straight in. And of course it ain't going to come out easily. So right, I'll do it and then I'll let. Okay, if we look underneath, just here. Hope you can see it just here. So it's because you can do this. I think this pulls up. This doesn't definitely don't look like a push down one. Or does it pull out? So it click. Right, now it moves. So it's a lever backwards. Remember, I've got a screwdriver there, so you could snap. Do it with the hand now. And it's kind of jammed in there. A bit crusty. See, when I do that, I push this down. That moves that clip, and I think I've unclipped it, to be honest. Yeah, I have. So it's going to be a bit crusty. It's clipped again. Careful you don't use scratcher paintwork, which I nearly did. Which you might be handy to use like a little plastic tool instead. Right, check that. That looks pretty good. Just a bit crusty. So it's just a bit crusty from all the dust. I'm going to spray a little bit of contact spray. I've got any to the actual contacts itself, wouldn't hurt it. Just a light spray. Right. And this is upside down, so this is the one we want. This comes off. Yeah, just pushed on that, came up. Now this is all unplugged, so it's not going to blow anything. These modern cars, you've got to be careful. It tells you unplug it. Alright, what's this? Just remember the way it goes. It ain't going to come out easy. It's going to be, what's this? Prongs are in there. Let's have a look at the light bulb. So we get any clues? It's just 2 prongs in there. So what are we looking at? Metal. Kind of connects up to there. You can't just pull it out, or can you? Nothing's going to spring. Careful. Oh no, it's just a pull out job. Alright, so is my eyesight good enough to see if it's blown? I think even my eyesight tells me it's blown. Now, compare it to the original, I mean not the original, the new one. You see it's probably thicker, the cabling in it is thicker, the tungsten filament is thicker, is what I mean. Yeah. The barrel looks thicker. Out of view. Right, let's try that again. So, this is the old one. This is the new one. If I spin it around, you'll see that it's got a sturdy construction. It's probably the original. Not that much though. That spring's definitely thinner. Right. So, is idiot proof. Flat end must probably go there. Yep, it says idiot proof. Nice. This fits in there nicely. It's springiness to it. It's gonna click, I hope. Going a bit more, pushing this much as I can. It's the springiness in it. Quite difficult to get in. That springs in like that. Don't tell me it doesn't quite fit. It's too shallow, is it? Try that again. Put the old one back on. No, definitely just sat in there like that. Okay. And if you have a job that needs doing, don't postpone it, especially a light bulb. we should get fined for it. So I reckon top in first, the round bit in first. And there's the clip. It's going to clip on this plastic bit here. So it's got to be like that first. And it's just a bit of a push. No, the flat bit. I think the flat bit sits on the top. The curved bit sits on the bottom. So it's the other way around. Because the curved bit is hitting the top. That curved bit is hitting the top of this bit. I think. Yes, look. See that? That would have been stupid. That light bulb would have not worked properly. So all these things, always watch watch it till the end. So I suffer the pain, so you don't have to, as I say. Right. There you go, it fits in like that. Now, there we go. Alright. Alright, so cap back on. And they say don't touch. Did I touch it? Well, I put fingerprints on it. Let's clean it down, because that would put a heat spot on it. That would put a heat spot on it, or neck of it. See, I did touch it. This will get rid of. Always have a bottle of this handy. Brake cleaner. So if you do touch it, clean it off with some suitable stuff. In our case, must be the brake cleaner, right? All right. Okay. 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 Of course, plug it in first. Should just be much easier to push in now. Clicks, that's what you need, that's all you need. So when, okay, there's no, let's have a look down there while I've got this one done. I'll be doing a cam belt soon. I wonder whether or not to take this off, it's fairly easy. So, back up. Back off a bit. So check the rungs, this fits on top there. There's a little nodule just there. That's flat. That's for the screw. That bit looks okay. It's going to be awkward because it was a bit of a click before it came out. Is that it? Okay. Too awkward. Sits in like that, and that sits in like that. Let's see if it matches the other side. Moved. Right, so let's push all the way back. Right, so I'll put the screws on in a minute, let's test it. So, you can see. So nothing's pulled in. Power on. Full beam. Parking light really. Oh shit, too much. Hopefully we didn't pick that up. we go. Good as new, right? Let's check the main beam. Everything on right. Okay. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you're not really a subscriber. Thanks for watching. Leave any comments. If you don't like what you see, just hit the thumbs down. Any comments good. Don't forget to screw the 2 screws back on. That's it.